2025's must-have robot vacuum for pet owners and families. Super thin, yet powerful. With 2000 pascals suction, the Eufy 11S Max removes dirt, crumbs, and pet hair, even from tough corners. 6 versatile cleaning modes: auto, edge, spot, quick, plus remote control. Tidy your home without lifting a finger, simple, smart cleaning every day. From hardwood floors to carpets, BoostIQ instantly adjusts suction for flawless results. Maximum power only when you need it. Imply dock and go. The Eufy 11S Max automatically returns to its charging base, always ready for the next clean. No tangles, no hassle. Top rated by CNET, Forbes and Wired, with over 31,000 positive reviews on Amazon. Proven reliability trusted by experts and users alike. Quietly powerful, operates at the sound of a microwave. Clean while you work, study, or relax. Perfect for families and pets. Elegant, slim design with tempered glass cover. Self-charging, smart sensors, and today lowest price ever on Amazon, 43% off. Buy now.